Hello everyone, George Fredgold here, producer at New Earth Productions. Just wanted to talk to you today about a bit of a treat that I've got for you guys. Last year, August, September time, we were filming a short film called Men of War. We had the script for quite a while, and we eventually decided to film it. This film was about a special forces group that gets captured, and basically the film was about 10 minutes long, 10-15 minutes long, and it goes on to basically explain how they get captured, and there was a bit of a twist in there as well. In December though, we were hit by ransomware, basically a virus that attacks your computer and basically destroys all your stuff. So our main hard drive was hit by that, and our backups. So we did lose Men of War, and it wasn't very good. A lot of work that myself and my whole team had put into this film, and it was gone. But over the last few months, I've been piecing together what I can of a certain part of this film, and that part of the film is basically the car chase. We filmed the car chase in September, and it was a lot of fun. We did, obviously smash up a car. At the end of it, there was a big crash, but I'll let you see that for yourself, because basically I've managed to piece together what I can of the car chase, and I want to give it to you guys as a bit of a present for your following us. It's not edited correctly because some of the files were corrupted, so there are going to be a few editing tweaks in it, but I've managed to put it together as best I can, and I hope you enjoy it. Please share it to your friends if you enjoy it. If you don't, then keep your views to yourself, because I don't want to hear the negative. No, I'm joking. Like, if you don't like it, let me know how we can improve it. It was a very amateur, we're only a small production company, so we used a lot of amateur techniques on this, but we think the results are good. So here you go. Men of War car chase. I'm sorry I can't bring you the whole thing, but this is the best I've got. Here you go.
Take 2.
This is Echo 2-3. Are you receiving me? Over. We have reached final safe zone. Permission to go dark and continue with mission. Over. Target is 20 clicks north from here.
Come on, Evans, I've seen you drive better than this.
Yeah, I know, mate. Smith, you're right, mate. Yeah, cover me.